In this video, we're going to explain two important adjustments on your RFlex press: the electrode pressing limiter and the lower limit switch. These two settings work together, but they do two completely different things.
The electrode pressing limiter is the mechanical adjustment. Its purpose is to limit the actuator's stroke length based on the height of the electrode being used. This helps prevent excessive downward travel and ensures the machine is mechanically set for the correct tooling. The lower limit switch is the electrical confirmation point. Its job is to tell the machine when the electrode has reached the correct weld-ready position. Next, raise the electrode back to the upper position using the foot pedal. Lower it again and verify that the switch activates correctly. Check that the indicator arrows remain in position and confirm the signal appears on the HMI screen. This will appear as ED on the HMI screen. If ED does not appear, the machine will not complete the weld cycle properly. Pro tip: always remember, first set the electrode pressing limiter to match the electrode height. Then adjust the lower limit switch until the ED signal appears. Following this procedure will help ensure consistent weld performance, proper machine operation, and safe setup.
If issues are still occurring, please visit our website at www.weldmaster.com or call our office at 330-833-6739 for additional support. You can also schedule a service visit from one of our highly qualified service technicians. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for choosing Miller Weldmaster for all of your welding needs.